My name is Adeel and I'm working in the IT industry. I did my Infrastructure Analyst Diploma program from NetSoft and I totally have around 12 certifications. One of my friend, he's an old student of NetSoft, refer me. Joined the NetSoft in a diploma program, Infrastructure Analyst, so it includes 10 programs. Things are very good here. When I joined the NetSoft, I find that different from the other institutes. I admire about the NetSoft is the support that I received from everyone, and I would not be able to achieve what I achieve with that support, and that's different from the other institute. And also the NetSoft provide a 24-hour lab access where you can practice a lot. Trainers are very professional, working in the IT industry, and they are very close to the students, motivational. I think the facility, resources and environments are much better than the other colleges. Just always make sure that the class is fun, educational and interactive. I hear so many people who are old students, and even in my batch almost everyone working in the IT field. The Hire Me course is totally about the resume preparation and interview. So when I take the course, it's always helped me to prepare my resume and for the job interviews. Favorite training was a Hire Me course, and it was really fun. For the people who are looking for to upgrade their skills in IT fields, I recommend NetSoft to join and see their trainings are very much different from the other traditional schools and colleges, and they give you a very handful practice.